Hello guys, welcome to another Earn First Way video by Earn First Way itself. I'm gonna speak about why business fail after 3 months open. This is a common situation that we have in the market on the United States. But I'm gonna speak about all the information that you guys need to verify why they fail. All the information, and also if you are trying to get business funding and also be a part of this company, all the information will be on the first comment pin below and the description of this video. Okay, and let me tell you, what if I told you most of small business don't fail because they don't have customers? They fail because they run out of cash at the wrong time. And what's even crazier is that money doesn't exist to keep them alive. The problem is not always access, it's speed. Is that exactly where companies like David Allen Capital comes into the picture? Let me tell you guys, in today's video, I want to break down one of the main product used in business funding, working capital, often structured as a merchant cash advance style solution. And I'm going to show you how it works, why it exists, and why so many small businesses turn it up when traditional banks say no. Let's be real. Running a business isn't just about making sales. It's about timing. You can have customers coming in, demand growing, opportunities on the table, but if you don't have cash right now, you can move, you can hire, you can buy inventory, you can scale. And a traditional bank, they move slow. You know, they like turtle things, weak paperwork, strict credit requirements, and a lot of rejections. That is when a David Allen Capital operates different. Instead of treating business like a risk profile on paper, they focus more on real business activity, cash flow, and revenue movement. Their funding solutions are designed to be fast, flexible, and accessible. No perfect credit, no perfect history, but real business performance. Let's break it down simply. One of the most common structure is similar to a merchant cash advance model. Here how it works. A business receives a lump sum of capital upfront. Let's say 10,000 or maybe 25,000 or more, depending on qualifications. Instead of fixed monthly payments like a bank loan, repayment is tied to a business revenue. That usually means a small percentage of daily or weekly sales is used for repayment. When sales are strong, repayment is faster. When sales are slowed down, repayment adjusts automatically. So the system moves with your business, not against it. So why would anyone choose this over a traditional loan? Three main reasons. Remember guys, subscribe, enjoy this content, share it, and also go to the description on the also first comment below to find all the information that you guys need if you want to fund your business or belongs to the company as a broker. Well, I was telling you that guys, there are three main reasons that the people normally take this type of route instead to go to the bank. First, speed. Approval and funding can happen very quickly compared to banks. Secondly, accessibility. Business that might not qualify for bank loan still have an option here. Third, flexibility. Repayments are tied to revenue instead of fixed monthly pressure. For a lot of small businesses, that flexibility can mean survival. But let's not romanticize this. There is a trade-off. Because this type of funding is fast and flexible, it can also be more expensive than traditional financing. And those daily or weekly repayments, what happens? They require discipline. If cash flow is not managed properly, can create a pressure instead of relief. So this is not free money or easy money. It's cool. And like any tool, it depends on how you use it. So who actually benefits from this type of funding? Well, This type of funding is usually makes sense for business with steady revenue but short-term cash gaps, owners who understand their cash flow, situations where timing matters more than cost. It does not make sense for business already struggling to generate revenue, people who don't track their finance closely, and long-term borrowing needs where costs matter most. So, where is the trigger picture? What is the bigger picture over here? Funding like this isn't about debt. It's about movement. It's about giving a business time to breathe, act, and grow when opportunities show up. And companies like David Allen Capital exist in that space between traditional banking and real world business agency. But the real question isn't whether this exist, is whether you understand when to use it and when it not. Let me tell you, the best app that you can get to fund your business is David Allen Capital. But because it's in business, the fastest decision doesn't always win. But the right decision at the right time usually does. So remember, guys, subscribe, share this content if you like funding information. And also, if you are a Latin guy in the United States struggling by your debts, you can go to the description on the video and also the pinned comment below to find out Debt Freedom as a debt relief company that you can have the opportunity to obtain information about and also be qualified for it. Okay, so the reason why I'm in a park right now enjoying the afternoon, the summer, and enjoying the birds and also taking sun, because basically I relieve all my debts. That's the reason why I stay over here and make YouTube video for you guys, because I don't have the, you know, the worriness to be able to like continue like working like an alcoholic, you know, because all my debts are being saluted by Debt Freedom. Okay, also David Allen Capital as a company, that's the best flexible and also options that you guys have if you have a business. If you want to grow, you want to hire, you want to enhance your business somehow, you have David Allen Capital as a business to funding your company and start making the idea or the dreams that you want to accomplish for your business. You know, this is a business company to fund business, and funding company to get line of credit, cash loans, and also payment processor here. And also people from Canada can apply to this company. And also the apply process is very easy. Only you have to put some information about like your name, your company name, and some bank statements to verify the revenue that you have between 0 to 90 days, that kind of things. It also the best option for this company, you don't need collateral to apply for this company. Okay, so you don't need collateral. That's the reason why it's so easier to get approved. It's not something magic, it's not a magic process, but you can like be funded in less than 24 hours if you qualify. Okay, so thank you for having me today. Remember, Debt Freedom to relieve your debts, and also David Allen Capital as a funding company to make happen your dreams. Okay, everything is going to be on the description and also on the first spinning below. Have a nice day, and thank you for having me again. Okay, bye bye now.